Alrighty, everyone. Assalamu alaikum. This is Noor with the American team for Al-Rajhi, with part three of our mini series to cover the round two sales prep. Inshallah, on Friday, March 22nd, sales will go live for the second round, and we want to make sure you guys are well prepared. So, part three of this series covers how to use the configuration links giving you to go ahead and quickly and efficiently check out with your package. So if you're not aware, basically, configuration was not allowed after the first round of sales ended, right? Last Wednesday for us here in the United States. The first day that sales opened up was also the last day, just because of how high the demand here is and how low the quota was. Now, alhamdulillah, they're going ahead and opening additional seats open, or visas open for the US as well, which means that we have a second chance to go ahead and try to purchase our Hajj packages. Keep in mind that this means there still needs to be a little bit of a hastening, or, a little bit of a hurry in terms of checking out quickly and efficiently. That's why these configuration links will help you out to get through that process. So just to cover, in case you're seeing these videos out of order, episodes 1 and 2 are already up on YouTube, and we'll cover the package capacity and detailed information for episode 1, and episode 2 will cover how to navigate the public links that we've been putting out in our WhatsApp group, or that you can always get by texting us at our WhatsApp number. So the third thing, the current episode that we're on will go ahead and cover how to use those configuration links in our public drive. And, inshallah, in the next installment, we'll cover custom flights for those who will be using the custom flight or Musafir option to choose their flight on NUSUK, as well as episode 5, which will cover our game plan for the big day. Inshallah, for those who are listening in, on 11 a.m. 11 a.m. New York time, we will go ahead and start our what do you mean? What do you call it? Game day or sales day webinar. So inshallah, just like last time, I will be there every step of the way, and we'll get through all the different hurdles and challenges that may come up together. So let's go ahead and share the screen. So this is our public Google folder. It includes detailed information with the package in an Excel sheet format, which you can go ahead and download and keep on your computer. And you will have the configuration links available over here as well. The quickest access, though, for sales day will be available right here in this simplified Google Doc. I definitely recommend keeping this open in one of your tabs for quick and easy access, right? So it has all the different configuration links. Now, the first thing you have to do to try to utilize these is go ahead and log into your NUSUK account. I went ahead and did that off screen. I just want to make sure that I'm still logged in. Perfect, I am. And so once you go ahead and open this, once you log in on sales day, all you have to do is go over to the document over here with all the configuration links, copy that, and then in order to stay on the safe side, what I would recommend is open up an additional tab, paste, and go. And it should take a second to go ahead and bring you right to the rooming configuration page, right? We went ahead and skipped a bunch of different steps here. The point of this is for the folks who unfortunately weren't able to keep their package in their cart, right? So if you notice over here, I actually still have a package in my cart, but I know for a lot of you, you either lost the package during the first round of sales, or the package you originally had in your cart sold out, or you're just deciding to go with a different package. If you're deciding to go for a different package and you have something in your cart, or if you know for sure the package you have in your cart is already sold out, what I would recommend doing is going ahead and clicking that empty your cart button to save you that step. Because once you come on this configuration page, if you have something in your cart, like a different one, it's not going to let you go ahead and continue on. There's two things I do want you to keep in mind when you're looking at the screen. Number one is this reach full capacity. This is only because the country quota was met. Inshallah, once the round two sales start, you'll be able to go ahead and smoothly check out on this page. We have plenty of room left in our packages. I'll go ahead and quickly show you on the PDF. But part one of this mini series does cover it in more details. But I think we're looking right here at luxury line one, which has 150 seats. So plenty of room, inshallah. Oh, let me go ahead and make sure I go back to, oh, sorry about that. So plenty of room left in this package. The second thing I want you to know is right now, while I definitely encourage you guys to practice this before sales go live, but keep in mind that there's no option for you to go to the next page, right? Like it used to be there, and that's because the configuration option is currently disabled. But keep in mind, once sales start, there'll be a next button here for you to continue on. What you're gonna do is go ahead and choose your beds, over here, and then press the next button. It'll take you to the additional services page. That's the page where you would be able to choose a wheelchair or your hadi, your sacrifice, qurbani, whichever word you use. And then you would go ahead and press the next button again. On the flights page, this is one of our packages that already has flights included from DC. You'd be able to choose one of the two flights we have. You'd press the continue button again, and then you'd be on the payment checkout screen. And inshallah, be able to go ahead and very quickly and efficiently check out with your package. So as long as your e-wallet is topped up for the right amount, you should be able to just go ahead and check out within, I don't see this process taking more than 2 minutes, inshallah, which is perfect because we do want to make sure you're able to go ahead and check out quickly. The last thing that I want to mention, because I mentioned pricing, is that I know you're not able to see the total pricing right now in NUSUK. No worries, Al-Rajhi's USA team has you covered. In this document over here, right, all three of our documents, we went ahead and gave you all the pricing for the packages. So the ones that have flights included, you can, like where we have the gateway flights, like from Chicago, DC, New York, and LA, the package price over here includes the cost of the flight. Now for the custom flight option, the situation is a little bit different because the cost that you see over here, as you see in red, it says flight not included because you're choosing a flight in NUSUK via the custom flight option. For you guys, what I would recommend is you can go ahead and take a look at part 4, which will go ahead and give you all the details as far as how you can anticipate pricing, as well as what sorts of flights you should be looking at, inshallah. Hopefully this goes ahead and helps you guys out. And I'll be keeping you all in my duas, and we'll go ahead and make sure you're all set for tomorrow. Assalamu alaikum.